Lolo kia di okpo miliki. Yo. May I call you this one wake you this morning? I forgot to write her mama vagabond. Lolekia the adulterous okbo. I tell una say anybody when you put body, now maybe say that tboz. When they beat 20 people at the same time, anybody when you put body, it don't more good be. You put body, you collect. You put body, you collect. Lolekia the okbo mama vagabond. You don't already use your mouth swear for your children. Come, what will be your problem? Don't have a problem way. Because now your grandchildren, I go swear for your grandchildren. They don't already swear for your children for the past 10 years. Then I came with bug with you where. Oh yes. Waiting they prepare you for body. You and your cohort, your useless fans. One they call me Byron for this social media. One call me Byron. Now what bear you are they know that way what they prepare you for body? What make your pain, your frustration? I shall walk up mama vagabond. Now una go say do person, if person do now. Una also una want that. You and your fans, your useless people call me Byron. What do you expect? Me I come they massage your ego. Me I come they worship after you call me Byron. Many of una be not to say me I go born for this social media. No, now God bless me. Why God punish you now? Una should know they swear give for how many years? I will bear you wawa. I be not even born la way. Una should know when don't receive for the past 10 years, 11 years. Your children for this social media to the extent you as the mother you use your mouth swear for your children, and now today your children are not vagabond or bonisan. If you talk to my pikin now, your grandchildren, those your bastard children, and the children where you never born, or the children where your children never born, it will have more bogwin. Yes, your children should the evil when you do for the social media. The children where you never born will collect truth. You the crazy share woke up with bewa. Waiting una wish for person. If it can't happen, una call the pain. As una they call me body. Now make me call they look una. When you even insult me, I give you useless apology. Now I take them back. It's not because I dey look for your friendship. Normally, I don't need trouble. I don't need wahala. I come and they do my panta bra. Una come with una useless bastard children and what beg you wawa. Because if una not born, if person not born a problem for one day, the children wanna born. All of them are bastard and vagabond and bonisan. Now begin they call una useless grandchildren Byron. Because I was never a Byron. I say now I'm bug with you what. That is why I was like, may this one just get out. I give you apology and I take it back. Because I not be Byron. Here Byron, when your grandchildren, your children go born, their children go die for their eye. Then if you wear your bearing and your fian, where you go bawo go so ya gbemi ya da. Or go buhwa. Those your ugly bastard children. You want to talk to me? Oh, we have women go on. You want me to enter them again? You want me to enter them again? Now your useless bastard vagabond heads. Now anything when you they talk, now they go. Waiting una expect from me? I make God the punish. I make una body the pepper. Imagine the people that called me buried or they talk to me. What do you want to talk? You don't see the kind of people when God to bless me. No, God punish now. Why God bless me? Because none of una, because if to say una feel say I go born before, una for they call me buried. Make una children talk to the buried. You will call me buried. How come they look your bastard? That's why none of una not get what una won't do me. Because now una fair do waka awu. That is why God bless me for all of your presents. And I will be you wow. Can you the grace? Where is the remote? If I born life, you were bare. Those your vagabond children or go belian. When they don't they swear for. Now came when bug with you where. I never thought I won't call social media. Can you the grace? What do you not get to tell me now? What bear you wow? Not be disgrace, God disgrace you now. And you see the disgrace you now today. Because what you not expect is different from waiting God do for me. Waiting Mother Earth do for me. Waiting ancestor do for me. Now go fair do wakau. Wakau, you know what you're called. Abi, you forget? Do you forget? Anyhow, when I can't take born, you when the husband they fuck around. It's rather I carry my baby, I'll get belly, I go born. I know they fuck inside relationship, talk say inside marriage, I shower kobo. If I like I carry belly, I carry a born. Not be only me. Start time or so. Anything when you're up now my God punish and shut up. If to say no me be the only person when he don't born, when he had the man not there now, I go to hear you. Shut up, your God punish your vagabond useless children. When you use your man cause, which cause I won't swear for your children now. When you go past the one when you call, when you swear for your children for the present of thousands. Ave suave on babe and you do something finish. You did it. You can't swear for your children head. Today they are not vagabond. They are nowhere to do. You are not bonus and yevo. You say you want who you want to talk to. Who you want to talk to don't know Google. You are disappointed. Who disappointed? See your children. See as they ugly when they sumo hurry. You are disappointed because who you call Barry come born. Oh, you are disappointed. I both sound a heady baby. You are disappointed. That's your all of them. They disappoint. Mother Earth disappoint all of you. Now the pain on a day, and when I go die with that pain. Anybody, if you say you won't rise, you won't come to me with that pain, I will beat you again. I don't say give you pain. If you say now, you say near me. If you say you want to rise up and come to me again now, I'm ever ready. I will double the pain when I first give you. Because me wanna call Byron in my who, I'm not going to hang myself. In my get no, I should return Byron if I pull out white bay. Now the one with they tell no, the one when I tell person, come out bear you while. Now be your president for carry belebon. The man can't run. I don't want to be this thing. No, go kill your children for your eye. The man can't because I may be the first person when he born. More why the first person with this whole planet not be? Wait. Now maybe the first person may get up. Shut up, you get God. Now what better what bijou? You get God. No, the man can't run. Anything. Now me still doing for the social media. No make enough thing. We say no level for una. If to say I no see one make all those things come out, I no go bring them. Make una for the 600 they talk. Make una for the fee say una get what you una do. Wow. Your bastard vagabond when they fuck around. You prostitute. I share kobo. You went on the bully people children for the past more than 10 years. If you let me slap your head then, if you say no waiter, I go beat your great grandchildren. Those your bastard vagabond when your children never born. I go draw, I go need them. It drawing. Any of now we won't rise up because I jealousy the worry una. Una no expect say I go born because why una call me Byron? Why una call me Byron Beruwa Bijuwa? I don't born na cast from una present. Mother Earth bless me because you know my heart is clean. Whether I papa the part of day, you useless. Why I even leave the belly? Because I know I'm capable. Of course, that's what you cannot do. Neke wa boshon. Na shame all of una body. Oh, and this one the first one you want. You not go see anything for my body. Anything when they talk now, na has it day. Or go waje. Now, so you picking at this one. Leave them, CIA. But why una dey pain? They want to look for something. Oh, because they don't they look for something about Sarah sins. May they back out and say, Nadia God, you get God. I share Boko, but I'm asking you, do you have a God? They will say people when they don't bully children, they call people Barry and all. You won't call talk. What do you want to talk? You have nothing to say. None of you have anything to say about me. I make una dey pain. Igwo na go una near me na finish una. Accept it. But if you say any of you say you want to rise, come to me. I still remain Sarah tboz of 5 years ago. Nothing changed. In short, I'm worst. I go put them for your vein. Now they always they cry. Every wife phone and friend know they finish. See people when they call me barren, everywhere barren. To the extent people come they believe say una children are barren. Come or go with you when women are beer. You they craze. Because of that one, not many people dash my picking money. Oh, so you not be barren. You not. I know that not be barren. That make me swear for our children. I know that not be barren. And I'm where bug with you. What? What so? Who make una go die? They smell the shaft where are they? Share the video. Thank you. Love and like the video. He said he called they swear for his children. This one where they swear now your vagabond they swear for. Who you were and the children when your children never born now you they swear for all gun logo my hand like be enya su say we are who ye we share as your children they born their children go they die for their eye. Mercy. It just say what they call you. If you were ni money a beer we have a vagabond. Now your children head you they swear for now. Not be all of na present for born. Ina mweko na bien. Na make me even carry the belle come out. Also ina mwe la jan kwa fian. That's why I carry my pregnancy all through. I would have choose to be indoor. Even if me and my baby daddy don't settle today. If I not even reach like that, now me choose to give una topic now what bet you wa. Make I show up for now. Say oh good already kill na bastard children. Say the barren wanna call me say now children and the barren. I purposely did all that. Wait till he tell me you get this. Okay, this if me want feel say una won't talk. I say make una not talk. I go come they do all those things. I go carry my belly comment. Because I know you all are useless set of idiots. Now una fair near me. Deal with it. Make una deal with them. Your useless vagabond when you swear give. Una mwe bug me. I don't even guess when I want to swear for all those children. Because they don't already be vagabond. Yan ho ho ane, yan son wune. A share wune rie. Wa deva wa. Wa boy lawe gben la ya gbelule yan wa son. No love, no be all of na come they do rubbish for where I did that. No bell wa gun ha wa beye they talk. You know they feel up till now after 10 years, 15 years on media. he knows see they get confidence, they do live video without makeup. Oma makeup in eti go with your ugly stinking face no well. Now your children. The useless vagabond children when your children never born. Our bonus and no be any now you they swear for. Oh my bogbe no gungbera bijou e mi ni ajevodo. And your sister children when they born now go kill all of them. If a boy fear kun le lian. Ah wa be hiyan wa gbon. Wa sungu zan lo lekia. E Messi bello. Wa devil wa. I be your mate. If to say I no want make una talk, useless set of people. All the show when I do for social media to tell una say, oh, wagele hoa, eh? Oh, wagele hoa. Now me give una the show. Of course, una no say na me give una the show. If we show no one wow. Because if I don't want to give una the show, tell me the reason why I can't do all those ones. Because I don't give the show, I can't say. You know, see the way with my God. Now go kill that your God. That what big God you will know one. When he turn your children to vagabond. When he turn your children to bonus or go big God you will know one. When he turn you to adulterous and share war. Your useless God when he turn your children to vagabond or go here and go with the God you will know one. You get God. I share one here. Prostitute. I share one. You get God. Make on that strike that your God. You are both fear kunlele. I'm not the young here. Now make give una show. When I don't enjoy, make una go die, deal with it. Because I want make una the top, make una feel say no level for una. Shut up. Una stupid God or any juju one that they serve. He reached my own. I will bet you what you near me, I kill all your bastard. Who's the name? I go buy your children behind you are. Now the one when I tell them, the one when I tell them, now that they cry, make una cry, die. The body one I call una children, me I don't born now. Whether they make, but this is the pepper they are not know. Because these are the useless set of people that call their children barren. That call their when they call their head barren. Why do you now they cry for now? What bear you what bone? God, ancestor won't bless me, motherhood won't bless me with a healthy, handsome. Una not even expect I go even put this kind of picking healthy and sound. Many of themselves, you see that kind of picking when because they can't say they don't do it for no. All of them when they name for this media down and near me and deal with it. Go and die. You know what they can't expect? You know that kind of picking when unkubi, that fine baby not be say anything do am but because of your papa. Based on your papa gene. Tell your useless bastard should mean go watch your talk. Unkubi, that small picking. I like that picking, no. Nothing do if you do that picking now because your papa short. So definitely you must know that kind of picking. But now that kind of picking, all this bastard can't they expect to make me born. Because I don't know the kind of thing when the say they do. In this life, if you near person ready to collect. No, not near me. No, go kill na shoot for now. I call the social media call the open pants a rebel. I call social media to be opening body now I come for. I do what now I can't do. But when I come say now go kill na bastard for now. What is that my problem? Because I say I never want born. They can't turn their children to barren. That is why when I was pregnant, many of them were angry. I don't know who they say they be. I don't know what this bastard feel say they be. Whether they feel say they get anything, when they say they feel do me. Oh, so I got the data from my comment section that time. But now so the pikin go ugly. Now so the pikin that one person can go send one screenshot of one baby come for me. Now say your baby go be. I see say nine they run and nine they share children. Now una do evil. I not get evil when I do for social media. Now una do evil. Una don't they do evil before me evil come the social media. You and Moneke, una don't start to they swear for children. They don't see them more bug. They don't they swear for una children before even me I come. Before me come social media, they don't they swear for this your vagabond. They don't they more bug me away. They don't finish them already. They don't shop them before I even talk say I won't come. Now start this bullying when they don't shop them. When they say everywhere comes spoil. See those cyberspace now. What beg you what now? Now wherever you go away. Now start children bullying, adult bullying. Come who where they go? Lolekia who no go with you when we might be you where you they talk. Now your children with your children will never born. Now you they swear for. When they are talking about people that do evil on the social media, now you and Olekia, you and the Monekia, the evil now don't remain for una house, una they cry. Ah, you know see the way she take burn. She got there alone. She got the social media. Yes, now me do one. So now that one now you can't take the. Ask you to carry. If I don't want born the pikin before you to say go carry on. Oh, now that one now your useless God now they do. Because now me first start to the born without any papa not there. So now that one now your stupid, idiot, basic God do for you. A God you were no war, no soon. You were born like God you were be. No, they find what I want put for my son. Una no fit put anything for him body. Now na has it there. It give you one oje. It remain there. Your time go say your pikin resemble papa. Like waiting. If person give you belly before, oh you want resemble. Because say this one children, Loleka children go resemble the men when they fuck. We say they call this all those men again. All the men when they fuck and when they use banga fuck. When they tag, when they nyaga children for this social media, they tag and they join another man. My became resemble a papa. Oh, now be no if you expect. Some people were waiting. Some people can't even the right to my this thing that and they say, you will be a chef, you will be a chef, make you born family will see who the people will resemble. Not be this man give you belly. I'm not like your useless prostitute mother. I not be Loleki, I not be Monekia when be a share when they fuck for husband house. Me, I never even marry. I no shit on the man when me and the friend. I'm not like you people. Prostitute. All of the this Lolekia now they call the data for my this in that time. When I born disappointment, me I dey feel they give una disappointment. A disappointment na be lying. Disappointment enter their body. Na me be tboz, my tboz. Oh wa so go ke una go cry die. I not be like una don't trust women. I shall go kobo. Me when he never marry, I know the fuck around. Una when don't marry, una toto there everywhere na wa beg you wa. Make we see who the pikin go resemble. Disappointment can enter their body there. Online because their children they tag them to different men when he born them. Now small thing they do your bastard vagabond children for this social media. How many years they swear for your children for this social media? No bell. You can't swear for the take crime and up. When I was the more block being not the valiant way. If I choose, I for not even apologize to any of you now. Now because say normally no bisaga I take comment. I just wanted to be doing my thing. I just wanted to be doing my thing. I apologize to you. You rich, we see me. That's why you slap collect the apology from you. Or say now that when you beat years you are already. You be never accept her. Not be me collect and you slap collect her from your hand. Because I'm not a troublesome person. But if you near me, I go crush you. I'm not a troublesome person. But if you come close to me, I finish you. You do me, I do you. What did happen between you and his? Leave that one. Your picking resemble in family. Your picking fine pass. You way born. Thank you. They were disappointed though. I said that they asked me for year. If not be say, I carry belle go hospital go born. The photo say no be me born my picking. All of the dead disappointed evil people. They are disappointed. They are disappointed. Ask me to the they disappointed for. Now so say that they cause children. Una call me Byron, now I cause una children. Why are you people crying? You look me finish, young woman like me, they call me Byron. Bontrowe talker. Then you can see talker. You know what I do Bontrowe children? Yes. You went see talker, even when you were there, you're not so. There is nothing like forgiveness. That one when they tell do now say, oh, if person curse you, not curse him. He not dead this life, eh? If person do you something, do him back. What thing he do, you do him back. Do him when it was. Yeah, take your cup. That's it. Then they cry, oh, mommy, mommy, thank you. None of them expect now say I'll feel born now. They say me not get womb. They say my man me not get womb. And I'm going back with you. What? See, swallow her in. Swallow her in. Oh, they say, as they call me Byron. I for your rest. I for you look me like that. Me, I understand this word. Now you both deceive and say, when they use Bible, deceive una. If person slap you for here, give another play, make it slap me. Before you slap me here, I don't blow your eye. You see that one when Oyibo bring those things to finish now for Africa. I don't believe on that. Before you say you won't slap me, I will blow your eye, remove your teeth. If you hear your talk, me go come give you this, I mean you slap. That's why I don't believe in forgiveness. There's nothing like forgiveness. I don't get any evil when I do. That's why I carry. All of them call the express, say. They can't even, they wait to not wish me. They wish me, make I buy. Make my innocent baby buy. Make this one buy. They say because he get the evil when their children do. I don't say I not do any evil. I come to social media to open my body. It don't kill me. I open my toto for media. It not concern anybody. Now una can't do saga. Now una come media can't do saga. The saga look on our life today now. They that don't work. People when they come and do their thing, when come do their content, see them. See the difference between the life when the waiting you and Monica do for this media. And see the difference between doing your thing. Now, what bear you what people when they come media yesterday, now you can't carry their content no lekia no gumberak bijoué. People when they come they do their thing, now you can't they do follow because you don't use saga spoil now. See your life. More than 3 years ago, when I see say you not let me rest for this media, now I go look for work. And I go in winner. Now they look for work. Now I don't already see and say, because I come out before to create my brand, to do my thing. But una can't use bully. Say now una should and I won't bully. And now see I now live for una. And now see I know what. I don't see and say Facebook is not going to be, you know. Now it's not be something when they solid. Now I go look for work. I can't say they do my Facebook then. I say they do one. I'll publish my page, you know. Anytime Facebook come, my page will come back. If you good, if you not good, make it get out. I don't care. Good morning. Baby King is fine. All of them see my picking. All like the useless, ugly, sick children when they're born. Pepper body enter them. Oh, now so picking be like this. The stupid lucky update when they talk to my pikin. Look in pikin, look and look my pikin. The idiot when they talk to that so pikin no waka. My pikin they waka. Everything we wanna wish for me now, una children head. All of them when they talk to me, una children really useless. Even the useless update when go down, see the children when see, look at them. Evidence is everything. Look the children now. Now, but when they call me Byron, look in children. Now me be the daughter of the mother earth. I know they look for person. Don't look for me. See, but when they call me Byron, look at the children. This one now, this useless one when he say now, brother, not my brother again. See children now. When they say mother earth bless person na me no. A mother earth bless me. When they say if God that your God when they talk so, my God, if it exists, na me na he bless. Na me bless. Your children are vagabond. Ogboni sanya ho. If everybody they would swear for your children self, it's not compared to the one when you use your mouth swear. More that they bless their children with their mouth. But you, Messi Beno, una you know bog with you for present of the wishes and wizard. Then you now remain with your children. Why are you crying? Now you use your mouth swear for your children. And they become what you would say they will become. Since my baby they womb now bless and they bless them. They use mother and they bless them. Now you swear for you. That one is yes. Or you will and they will remain vagabond and ogbonisan. And the children when your children go born, as they born, they die for their eye. I go beat your children. I go beat the one when they go born. Let's go there. When you tell even call me Barry, let's start it. I will use that one beat you again. Me wanna call me Barry now. No one that many of you are in pain. A pain not like because when I feel say, oh, as soon as you talk and say na Barry, mother earth, you go come make her like that. Yo, na say na read Barry. I bon. Who me amena la wagbe onya na la wagbe. As soon as no. Now sound na rubbish. Oh no. Inside. Ekwe mu kwa una no the shame of ni gwo waya. Agbe o believe you waya da. You the grace. Because if person mind clean, it's better than the evil man when una bring con life. The only way thing I do for this man is to defend myself. Now I see they do so. The so-called update in all war. What's it that they call them? This one, so as I say talk to my pikin, now I say can't defend myself again. Now the proof is outside. Now we don't know between the children when they're sick. See, a predator, he's not proud of the children. He not go fit bring the comments. This one now see do me very soon now. This one go they talk say, no, Sarah, una they always they forget where una first starts. Very soon now, this one I go crush him. That stupid lucky or Sazeno go and be ever now you are. Very soon now, he go see start. He go say na me start. He go forget where he for still do. Oh me. I always come to defend myself. It's when they swear for your children. If your children go even die, they don't die 10 years ago. How many years ago they more bug with you? And your grandchildren, the way I'm looking at it, all different when you don't do. The children, when your children go born, they go collect. Not purely your children will collect. You cause family. Both your offspring here and when bog beya. All the rubbish when una use una mat, when you know what rohoy. Not the way they do me. They always look for something. Men will look for something. Put for Sarah body. There is difference between you looking for something to say you want put for this person body and the one when it day your body really. That's two different things. There's a difference between saying you always look for something. Oh, Sarah picking there like this. Sarah picking like this. And the one when it really day your body. Because that's projecting. You won't project within your body for another person's body. That's two different things. Sarah can't put. You can't they pursue the man. I may give una show. Because if I don't want to make una talk, waiting will make me do all those things. Messi bello na share wo. Me. If now una. Because una the fear bully, una the fear talk. Not be today I don't go training. Na me ye training. The time when I pass Morocco, go training, go military training. When I foresee hell, when my skin, this one not be even fight. This one not be beating. The beating when me don't receive now for my skin, I feel them. I be made and I be. I'm gonna talk. You gonna talk say you won't use maths. You know they see body. I'm taking care of my son, no. I don't leave Saga, oh. But any of them when say they won't come for me. Now me see be Sarah of 5 years ago or 4 years ago. Me you know, not I see the game. Yeah, but we are ready to talk. If you use me verse, you guys say boy. Una no say no we fair do, but the one when say that we can't do, you know go come for our body, and I don't give a fuck. I don't care whether it come for our body or it remain for our body permanent. I don't care. Una call me Byron. I born shame metal on body. I don't care. Cause una be no expect I go born. Una call they wish una children Byron. I go talk my own. My pain go remain for una life till una die. I don't care. He say he told they pursue the man. I mean pursue and make it for 600 they talk. No make it now me with her. Not be person video ramble. Person can't video. Oh, make una can't see Sarah. Then wagi ho who are sending. Now so I use una plane in a luwa. Not be person can't leak the video. Say make una can't see Sarah today. I can't video ram. He can't they pursue baby daddy. He can't they do this one. Me and my baby daddy were talking. Cause I dey vex me and a girl small issue that time. Now I carry my phone. And he not like video. He not like her. That one he not like. I can't say make I do. Now I won't like video. And now I'm show no one. Now don't you talk say you're useless bastard God. A God you no go be no why be ya da. You know where. Waiting about myself, do not the way they talk say your God do. And on the carry God you were yeah. Now so your God useless. Yeah. Now be person can't breathe the liquid out of him, my baby daddy fighting. I recorded it myself. Yeah. I come life myself. So if I dey fear say una want talk, say una talk, get what thing they do me, I go can't do that one. Any of una not fit carry my finger. I don't know me. What man? Why to me in here? If I dey fear una talk, say una that una useless smart. You get waiting, I go can't do all those ones. Oh, said I can't carry belly. The man can't connect. Now me start and die. Now that one won't give you joy. That's small one, so that won't give you joy. The death when una wish una children. When you wish your children, when you never, that's why I say the children, as your children they born, and so their children will take die. The death when you wish your children, wish your grandchildren, as it not happen, pay it out in life. I don't get complication one day. Lolekia, I did not have complication. You might have complication. If to say I don't want to make una talk, I forgo inside house. I know we'll do live video. No, leave my family. If to say I don't want to make una talk, as I carry belly, I also go born. My baby daddy not be person when they talk. Now me they talk. Now for no year pin. Even as that quarrel be, if I not even reach like that, now me even made the quarrel reach like that when we say, now after 6 months or so when I born, me and my baby daddy concert to me and the family will concert to. Yes. He can't carry him picking. Me and I must not day. Me and my baby daddy must not be together. You dey husband as you dey fuck. Who will wake here? So I remember saying you be new mom. My baby doesn't reach 1 year now. That past 1 year now. A big boy now, big boy. The mother health disappoint all of you. Una pain go make una get una pain. The God has a beg you wa aba share wo. Una when you use bullying. See people when you start children bullying where they are going. See any cause when they come out for your mouth, you Lolekia. You know say that your children and your children's children that you they swear for. Get that one for the back of your mind. Wow, see people when they start bullying, when they make a those cyberspace build when we say none of them progress, a fake life or your passion and what bear you are bon. See the useless as when you buy. Almost a door when it come Facebook yesterday, you just spend 15 years. Lolekia nothing to show. Now almost a door when it start 3 years ago, now you they follow, now they find what you want show for it down. If you not feel loquat. Una when it be say now suppose buy mansions una as far as you are monekia u dey na gbon fi why na gbon fi make now make me even leave social media for una. Social media when it be say it big before, if not be bad dead when una carry on social media, you guys would have been the first people to buy mansion. See the house where Omo don't buy. See the way they decorate. See the one where you buy. And Omo don't come. How many years ago? 3 years. And you when it don't there for more than 10 years. You know, if those say a good thing, you now bring come media. Now that kind of house you supposed buy. Now you supposed they. Omo don't buy everything we did that has put on. Una we be binin na wa bear you wa gbon una spoil this those cyberspace none of una progress wa ya deg ye ke na deg here because you are monekia una bring saga everything bullying. That's when people like us when it come una carry bully come where we dey una mo bully a day report and bullying because of that people need to be fighting a fight Lolekia. Your children when you go born, if you are fiangu, you are all fiangu. If I remember the way when you are Monica they spoil this media, when they carry children bullying, and they bullying, and Dioma bullying, Obiomo bullying, the man wama bully, the media na. You they come mad, you want to talk to my son. If you say make we enter again, we enter. That's why me, I know they do saga again, I know they do anything. But anybody that come from me, you all know say I dey game. Now me see be tboz. I dey game. When you come from me, I dey game. come from me, when you come for me again, it don't finish you. When maybe nika away before you twin, I will come add more pain to your life. Everything when una wish me, nothing happen to me. Why una dey pain? Me pain wana pain here. If una swear they get what thing they do person. Me never come social media. Your children for don't die. Moneka children for don't buy. And not gear we children na kem we bog beni. All the children when you post for the social media wa mwe bog binya from Bella and mwe bog binya. Any ahulone. Now only mama dead body. Zani. Now only that one use the pikin pay for media. We never watch you. Gonna you come for 2 years. Give me my phone. Oh, you only know why you come for good 2 years. On a fian who your dog. Take it. Take that one. The one when the day Germany. Only know why you wear what you know what fian who that one picking. That one try me. Now pull rope for picking nigga. I told him he picking to go to na fian ho. Na guy. Now so that one do. Bearing. At the end of the day, na picking take pay. But the rest people, everybody there. When you wanna call me? No, I can't born for una eye na do beer. Ina munya gbe healthy and sound. My baby healthy and sound. Now they look for something. Oh, and make una like they look for wagwalong. Yeah.
So I agree, my pikin dey coma. We shall agree. So I agree, my pikin dey coma. We shall agree.
This one children now, all you children that they sick. Eh, ya wa humi. Eh, mi agbinya wa that they sick. This one now go they toss my pikin. Anything they when they do my pikin. Now that pain when all you children get, now they try to no. She not feel do anything. She not feel transfer. Me finish na name.
For 1 year and 8 months, now my son dey on treatment. Without nobody know what I was going through. Without no one know what I was going through. All this while.
Imagine children when they go coma. This one now go come say na my pikin want to I call it on na finish na go here you are. Imagine pikin now children when they go treatment. Now pikin when he wear now they go treatment for 1 year 8 months for 2 years. Omo or your treatment for 1 year. This one now if they talk say God punish this one they hear. This one na carry children come social media and not fear who you are. And honor fear who. If they want to say God punish or your God useless God punishment, now this one, you are punish now. When you use the pikin take social media money. Me, I come social media, I never born. Una call me Byron. I come born for all of una high. Ina mula wa egberame. Oye hene deve ya. I dey sound, my pikin dey sound. All the bad news when una they expect from my body now una children head now take carry. Man, get out! I will beg you what backbone. Everything one they say una don wa ya vioe, wa you vioe. Everything one they una children help now see they pack can. Wa vioe ti then wa wu. This one not fit bring the 6 children come out. But the small wish when he born now, that ugly bastard when he born now. They're not born and make it bring a come out now. You will see the bully, the beating when that one go receive. Only one fiang instantly. Cause egbe marin. You know where? This one now, they're not going to say make it bring doctor report. We don't already know say the doctor report saying I'm sick, in children they sick. My king, Never. If my pikin, if you don't see the wakayos now, ona mo well, ona design, say that they don't. I go see video that put up for now there. A pain you here wa like be. Not be my baby start when they waka for a year plus. Not be him. So make the pain. That's why una pain not go finish. A pain wife for. Because this one are normal, not the sickness. That's why this one now when the children they sick now, the pain go they increase, isn't it? When me and my baby go, when they run, they waka by itself, or he know they fear again or ruling. If a video him you whatever. When me and I go they run up and down, they waka the whole lag. If you don't put for una there, una pain go they increase day by day. Because I always say. This one now when the children they sick now, lucky yourself no go and be there that. The sickness when the children they sick, they go remain with them. He not go. Ekpa. Yeah. He not they go. The sickness when the children they sick, he go remain with you now. My own not be sickness. Na normal thing for children. Normal. No man. So that one I want crap put. Make una crap put. Was so jo, was so woo. Was so woo. Imagine this one now. This one on another one. When in 9 years old turn okay. Yeah? On a ho. Sian. Gonna get. And I diri your ho. They put rope for his neck. They go cut. And this one, when he born goat, on another way. Make I see a lot of people in the picture here. Okay, I can't put this. This one, when I turn the pikin to goat, when did they look for who she want put pay for? This one, I go to talk to my pikin. This one when he use him man talk say he children they sick. Now they find where what to say that pikin too. No, my pikin not they sick. Die with your own, deal with your sick bastard children. Deal with it. Your children when they go coma, they take treatment for 2 years. Any fall. Deal with it. Oh, where you want carry and go? Wamuna. You are a friend with me. Thank you, darling. He's not my brother. Is that your big? Who be big brother? If Rita. Who be big brother? Who you the call big brother? As any of you now, me they beat 20 people at the same time. I said remain tboz. Any of you now when you want your call me. If I don't hear film, it be day. I they come for you and your bastard. And I got the bring receipts. Everything when una wish Sarah, una don't use una hair carrier. Make una go die. Why you have your ene? Why you have your ene? Who was your one of your lawa? Even body assault enemy not try me. And that be Allah. Assault enemy when he try me not talk of una na what beg you what I saw the enemy when he near me. You don't see what I use them do. Me na me be Sarah. If you near me, I go finish you. Igboa. I don't care who you be. If you near me, bam, I crush you. I know they look say, oh, my brother, my friend, my this one, that one. I know they look calm. Never. If you show yourself to me, you're ready for me. We go pull left for one trouser. Then now at the end of the day, we go see now. At the day, we go see who go collect. See bunch of way children have G. See person when he say he call me bad bunch of way. He shouldn't when he did Germany. Those in best side when he born. Government you they fight that one. You know say that one. The children when bunch of way be put eye for Germany. That one they inside pain. Only one run log on man. Hey, what did I say make my mother earth do when he not do? That one your day inside no man. He not even whether he should went to Nigeria the thief. None of it should they okay. Now me you won't try. That one you're the battle. Only one battle. They will call if they don't finally collect those children, I will call raw powder. It don't be powder. Because I tell us nothing about him. 8 children now when he born, they don't feel bring one come out. Highway robber. See, even lucky us as they turn they to juju people. E juju ya meet some meet town. In a whole I saw the enemy. Anybody you near me, wait for me. Oh dear Helen. See the lucky when they talk to my son. Now it shouldn't be this. You know those in best when they are mad they leak. Now he born any beer. If you say na lie, if they go juju, make it go bring juju come. Or make it post in doctor report. It's a big proof now. Lucky or sazen na what bill you when ogun bill you ever na juao. Say Sarah they lie. Bring doctor report. You say my pikin not they stand up. He know they stand. He know they do anything. I prove you wrong. Yes, I bring the proof. Ekwena muwe. Come now. Eto agbina. Boa me jana. Hey, look at my vitamin. Eto agbina. Boa. See the children when he born. In best side, the worstest in best side when he mad the leak bondon. Oga soon. Oh, yes, I won't talk to my son. At the end of the day, we go see now. Me, I saw the enemy. Me even like I saw the enemy to beat. I like I saw the enemy when you go near me. I prefer that one because that one, I feel they crush them well. This one, but it go sell now. What kind of a sibling? A sibling better be joie. What kind of a sibling are you? What type of a sibling are you? A sibling better be joie. Who be your sibling? The kind family. At the year Kurita I talk yesterday, they say which kind family I for come. Now the kind useless family when I for come this life. That is why God give me the strength to deal with it. Nai toka me. Spanish will say toka. Nai be my this family nai be my turn this life, right? And I'm going to face it. Next life I will pass another family come if there is reincarnation or anything. But you see this one, I'm ready for this one. Now Libya road desert now all of us pass come. But out of all of us, when it pass road come, my journey was the toughest. Now me go military training. Now I know why my journey was different. Then this stupid lucky so now express it take on Libya. I spent 6 months for desert. For Morocco, the beating, the training when I go. Now I know because he knows say the kind family when I for come, I need to face them. Because now the kind useless family when be say, they go say, they won't do she. So now I know what to make me strong, what to make me go the training when I come. Is for me to face this kind useless people. When he say now useless family, they are not my family. Wait, make I block you. Hi, I go delete and I block, I won't block. So that is why I am ready. The journey when all of us pass for road, now my own, now me go training for road. Now me spend that many years for road. Now me pass through hell. I didn't know that the Mother Earth was preparing for this kind of bad head when you say so-called useless family. And I'm ready. So now this kind of one now be my turn this year. And I'm ready to face him. Face him, what face it. This one now, I go treat him like enemy when he be. Now your sibling be a sibling of who? Now your brother he be. A brother when not be my brother. Now my junior brother before. Now is before. the small rats when I sing or do it down no. I dey go down. Ugbe not be live video more for deal with that one. Now outside live video me gonna finish on it. Any ya run ya yo when I take show and show well. Now outside live video me for deal with this one well. And me gonna you brush your how all iye-eki latin. Not before live video. Okay, live video I do am more boom if you any best side nani ho one. So now, so Lodekia, if you want us to go to come and start it again, I did game already. Ya do one na me be tboz, mo tboz. Ah, wa be wa bon fear kunu. Now that they find something, una not go feel see anything gone for my body. Error, una go find, una go tire. But now go the re. Go na see one hand up, one hand down. Mama dead body, 3 bastard, 3 papa. 3 bastard, 3 papa, see handicap, wheelchair. This one they wheelchair, they coma, they treatment. Now he's not looking for someone else's children to say, oh, he became the sick, he became the sick, he became the sick. Because your own they take treatment for 2 years. So now making them look for another which other person became the sick. Because the pain when you they pass through, you feel say they'll go follow you share. I never sleep hospital for 1 day, and I'm not going to even sleep hospital if you're a now fever, most of when they do baby 2 times, 3 times, I thought this one I born small fever 1 day, 2 days, give her pireta. They never write any other drug for my baby once since I born at now. When fever go they do one, I'll kind of go hospital. They'll say no, there's nothing they can give me. Say now that pireta, that their paracetamol plus the time when I born the 2 days there. Vitamin D, where they give all children. But all this one, the medicine where they pack, they give their children for small picking. Wow, you want use and compare my own? Mother Earth bless me. Make una deal with them. Cause everything we wanna be the experts. No one happen. So make una deal with them. What's so good? Imagine people now when they call you barren, you come born. How you feel say their life go be? People when they say you not get womb, how you feel say their pain will be? Their pain will increase. Their pain will increase. They can't even see my baby. They can't even say if my baby come out. If my baby come out. Oh, and you know they were having this thing. The mind of people are wicked. But you see, Anna say, waiting down our mind, waiting mother head they do, not be the same. Waiting to be the expert to na bastard children. With waiting mother head to do for me. Not be the same. Now to stay with man not there with her. Okay, now that if that one will give you joy, why are you guys not happy? Say that carry belly, you can't they go. Now let the carry belly they go. Now let you born. If that one will give you people joy, why are you not happy? Go the raw powder now. Yagbe powder because I missed that. Go and raw powder. Yagbe powder. You when you day with husband for us, you they fuck up top arm. Me I know the fuck. Even as me and my baby daddy quarrel. The last time when me and I fuck, now I still day. But you dey husband as your toto that they fuck you for 8 hours for Barcelona. Come I be your mate if I bought like you bear. Ogun gbogbo alole ki ope si o nu de vawa. Since when me and my baby daddy's your quarrel, I decided to stay away from men. Now me decide to stay away from men. Cause fucking not be my problem. I know they fuck anything. I know be mama dead body when they share to up and down over here. I know be here different, be very decent. The other one I tell they look me, make when I use that they look me for that side. I don't give a fuck. That one until they look, I don't give a fuck. Why I only give you what? I make one of these how they look me now, who cares? But me, I know who I be. I know who I am. You prostitute when the husband house no fuck you, your husband house. When they fuck you for 8 hours, they look, see you with different men. When I go, who are you when you useless? Now your children who were your children were never born. Now you they swear for mother of vagabond. You vagabond. Yeah. If my baby don't they walk out, they run up and down, una pain. Waiting anything that got to do with me, I would give una pain. Pain. And if you like, me, I was pressuring my son to work before 1 year, make it for sample the cake. But now anytime when he like, no horn, make it waka. Anytime that he wants. And I will post on for una, then una pain will increase. Useless set of people, evil people. Now they be evil, they call person evil. How am I evil? You call me bad, I swear for your children. I got the evil, you do me, I do you. No, Sarah, those are the swear for children. Sarah, they swear for children. You be kid. You that time when I never even carry belly. When I never even born. Sarah, they swear for children. They can't forget the bad when they call me. Sarah, they swear for children. You not go born. You not go born. You not go born. You are born now while you are life. You white ben if you are soon. I can't see carry belly. I carry belly. Oh, God don't punish her. God punish me. We waiting when I say I not go fit born. Una stupid useless God when you ho. He can't still punish me again with the picking one when I say I not go born. Would that get that gun would that get why useless here? So na punishment now for waiting when I say it not go happen no. It not go ever. I won't have a cockroach. Like when they talk, I can't they look at those idiots. Me when he swear for na children, I'm with bug with you. You call me Barry, I use your now picking and my picking now they talk to my born children. I go swear for your picking, I'll call your picking, I'll cut in neck if you are. If na Nigeria, I forgot many of my children neck. If to say na place, you call me Barry, that's your dead. That one are your picking dead sentence. Now what did they do before? If not be now, we be so the people they take on. You don't dare to call anybody Byron. You just sign your picking dead sentence. Because I will look for that your picking, eh? When make you open your gutter mouth, call me Byron, I will cut in neck. Then you will not turn to buy. Now what did they do all these days? Some they use to that time. You go use to buy your picking. If like so not know where it be. Some people they'll say, oh, they will call. If they call you Byron, look for that picking Byron. Anybody call you Byron. Say because you never born, you they wait. Now you know the reason why you never born. Then one person will come say because he born. He will come and put his mouth, call you Byron. Now he picking death sentence, now he sign. Make it happen. Now swear for their picking, they call the crap. If to say now we are free, why me are you why una go see waiting agbada go use knife to live na picking tester. Ah, what behave what bell. Oh, you call person bad, not be anything, but they swear for your picking won't die. Shut up, cry in peace. All these days now your picking death sentence. Now you come up for your man so. But you know they sit down and say anything now what behave you what all of man what bell. Now they see as anything. How when I was saying something before no good believe you what you wow. Now be something. Oh wow me. Now. Tread that nonsense for Nigeria with me. If I go baba your picking take. And I go make sure say I know you know. If not be say Europe say prison. Mugu go to now for kill the 4 of them for you. That imagine when he open the mouth. One day they drive, I see it should have been one run there over. If to say that Nigeria or any place we free, I go run there over. hour, you are already paying, okay? And they say children, the day when I say children video, it to say now we are free. I don't want to go to prison. If not, that one when my hand meet. For that you march when it open now. Now children death sentence now is sign. After they call people barren, now children death sentence now the sign. Cause now be something you won't believe you what. Shut up! Nothing like she's nothing like monitoring. Now they go do person and they cry. They go say the one where they do you not be anything. Now the one where you do them Sarah, they cause you for children or good boy. If not be Europe when it save many of you. Now for no now. Now for no waiting come out for una mat. Because you gave birth to useless vagabond does not mean you have the right to call anybody barren. You don't have that right. Women rights in it. When I don't get that right. What he pay me? Now let's swear, I swear for their children, they can't cry. He pay me say not be wear free. You don't know me. Umenwan. Go to call say not barren. So they're not barren. They're not barren. When I got love, say not be wear free. Now let's swear for a vagabond wavie. When I got luck, say not be wear free. Eke no man where you will do your clean mouth. If to say me I won't go prison. If you go that far of them, I for bad them. You are being you are for opening that I got that mouth. Call him Mama Byron. That is how it is. Since you know the fee say, not be anything, now be something, no good believe you what. Now let's swear. After they don't call me Byron, now let's swear for what doing. They not let me hear what you got so your sorry now what bear here wagmo. Okay, the man the one when I tell me not be nothing, now the one when I tell now, make una die. I know from when want that way I will. And if you say you want to talk to my Peking, let's go. Make I bring your children, but the one you never born. I don't have a problem. I've never had a problem. Let's go. I'm ready for. I'm ever ready. When you call me bad for this one, I know what I use my eyes see. Make una see come. Make una be 20. Make una come. Make una the carry una children. The follow body come. Make we come do and let's come and run it. Me I run on our children over. Whatever. And because it not be Nigeria, make I let una know now because it not be Nigeria. Because of say not be Nigeria or place when camera when things not there, it can't be advanced country. I go all of una country, all of una when you use no matter that I go where una there, I go buy your picking cash. I go buy you for years in mwe pin What bell? You call me bad finish. You go say I go leave you, go kill you. A body on berak bijou. Oh, you go call me bad. I will call the class for you. Sorry, Fee. Sorry, Fee. I will call the class for you. God punish you. When I was son on a picking, they sentence because they don't feel born one lizard, one bashoko. They all see person whenever barren. Now that they use barren. Now people are deciding not to even born. They don't want born. Me and they talk. Me I don't want born. Join this one. They enjoy my life. They gonna be now the born me should not do as well. And that's why I had to take out my bikini now. Do you they enjoy my life? They go. Yeah, real life in here. Me and my son. People don't want even born, not even one. They don't want. Africa useless people. Because they don't born. Many of them, they are picking and pay to them. Like this mama dead body now. He shouldn't na cost to them. Because he shouldn't they sick. He shouldn't na bedside. That one not even happy say she born. Many African mothers, they are in pain because of the children when they born. Their children don't cost to them. You must not have a child. Now because say I thought say I go born, now make me and my both separate. Since when you know, I tell her, and I tell her say, no be say I won't born me, no, now only 2. But now if like I not go born, I hear they look, no. I hate stress. When me take day house since I know they move, I know they do anything. My own life pause. I'm not happy with it. All in the name of taking care of a child. Your own life go pause. Your own life go pause. Now everybody won't go live that life. People now they want to live everywhere, child free. The time when I never born, the way when I live my life, I know they look back. Anywhere when I want to go, anything when I want to do, you are free. But now, before I do anything, I have to think about my son first. If I won't even go appointments, another appointment, I will fail and arrange my pikin. I mean, not for me to wear shirt. I feel wear this shirt. I don't even get that to make up. Can't sit down. Can't they put that lashes? Can't they do this one? No. I they look my pikin. Which I never carry. I carry food. I carry water. Sometimes I'll need to make, if where they go far, make autota for flask. Autota. I carry this one. Now in life I can't live. And me, I know they live my life again like before. That is why I don't like children. I don't like many children. Now make me not like her. Not be my team. Sorry. Because you will not have your life again. That is one. Your children come first. Where they make life? The outside when I go with my friends will come and go restaurants. I become the do anytime when I newborn. I become the do anytime when I newborn. Because in a month like this, me and my friend we must come out. Like 2, 3 times, 4 times. We'll go restaurants, we'll go out, we'll go enjoy, we'll go do. When I newborn, I can't try and now 2 times I follow my friends go out. That time my baby see there small self. I know if you feel eat. Because you know as you they eat now, you need to hold knife and fake. I carry picking. My picking go they cry, I need to carry on. I know you know if you use one hand to eat Igbo food. What did my friends go come do? They go come eat after they don't eat finish. Now me they last they eat. That was not like that before. Oh man, then my friend will be theory. Now Igbo I know they follow blood and me go. What they discuss now my picking now my own baby. Now the two of them come they talk. If at the end sometimes my baby go vomit or he go boko for a shot, I'll go bedroom. Then go they eat for restaurants. Me go their bedroom, they clean. Because I they carry another cloth, they follow body. I'll go change the cloth. Maybe it boko for the cloth. Now I'll come change them. A bedroom I get there. But when I did single man, it was not like that. Now I go come say so born. I won't come the bone and they craze. My life pause. I do it 2 times now. If they all call me say me go ask me go restaurant, I say I know they go because I know they enjoy them again. I know they enjoy them. Before me go eat, before my friends go eat finish, they'll come carry my baby. They'll see hold on. Before me go come eat my food go dog cold. And me life food with the other cold. Now I say I know they go again, make it fair grow small, or make it fair they go this thing. And now we get you. As I know they go, my life pause. I know as I tell they free, there's nothing like freedom anyway. Picking good or but you're not going to compare freedom with say you get picking. You're not going to compare when you are single. When you get picking, not to be compared. I enjoy my single life for years. Now I can't do anything. Now my baby first, my baby. If I won't go outside, I know the feel they do now. Only you. I only comb my head, pull something. What we need yo? Ha! Who's like, eh? My Wibo can't call me. My Wibo call me after I got born. He say how my mother the motherhood stuff. Huh. I say no it's you. No. Because he won't know. Because the when I tell the tell I know the when I tell the tell say I go born, make we born. He say no go born. He say you like the life. He no want born for this life. Now I know. Now are you buying day? Are you buying waje? He say he no want get responsibility of picking. He say he no want. He say no want. He say no want. Because based on say the way I tell the tell say I go born. Now make me and I separate. sorry. He say he no want be the person when he go curse and say I no go born. Me and I can't separate. I'm still legally married. Oh, my daddy angry. Sorry. Nine. I say no is you. If to say if not be say I say I won't born. If to say the great way person they try and before, I for be child free. Because me and person with me say I love my freedom. I love my to take out picking good though is frustrating. But it's good, but it's frustrating. And they wonder the people when they born for different men. You go, you're born. Since when I tell born, the urge of fuck, when they fuck, come up from my body. I don't get feeling for man. All my concentration are for my baby. I don't know as people take the born, they'll see if they fuck around. The urge of fucking disappear. I don't get feeling. Not be man when I want for give man a chance be my problem. I don't want them around me. The stress of baby rich, not talk of Nigeria. I know if only Nigeria stupid me around me. Imagine they'll come add their own joiner. I say I don't need that. You they like this one when it dead Germany now. That's bastard different papa. You they make milk for baby. You they use one they make an for man. And me and you won't live that life. Or go bazin. Because man now go come add stress. I don't imagine man adding stress to the one when they take out picking. They're not born down. Are you there alone? They are addicted to sex. I'm telling you. Me are not there addicted to sex. And now me they control. That's why you see say they not use my total name for this media. Now me they control. They in charge. If I say I want your fuck, I want Italy, I go enter. If I say I don't want, I go stay. Now, for the past a year plus, now I don't want. Since my baby daddy, I decided I don't want. They not even, at the end of the day, they don't get help when they do. So that's why I concentrate. And apart from that, I can't be kissing a man. I can't see you that man take kiss my baby. No. Or I can't use one take touch their useless condensed man finish. Can't use and touch my you can't use and they touch my baby. I don't even want. Another thing. I don't want any man around my son. Apart from say I don't get the urge, I don't want any man around my son. That is why I'm very proud, happy today. Say not only in Papa when we don't settle now carry and in Papa brother. No any other man come close to my son. I'm very proud and happy about that. I not be woman when they carry different men they come wear picking day. I rather no. Even if I want friends, say man, oh, we want date, with time. And now, he not go be the father of my son. Come, my son know his papa. Or why right? He know his papa. And not be now. I get time to fuck. Some people, you know, there will be like people who never see man before. Like that dead body now. No man don't marry him before. Now that one never see marriage before. Only my marriage is dead. Oh, marriage. Marriage when you not get benefit to you. Now you go to feed them. Now you go to give a milk. Now you go to give a down. That one will come they talk. That one when it they pain. Only you marry. Only you they cook. Only you they take care of children. Only you they do. Only they do that one. Are you the pity for you? It may pity in way. I don't know whether that one they feel say that they jealous. You die your condemned life for what jealous say. No, the kind of life when I won't live. If I decide to say I want friend man, Now to told the only day when me not go this year, they pay me. The kind of life when I won't live with my son now, if I decide to date on that man. Me here, now I be the pepper when me they do. You don't see that when I do with my people. A great life in me. You don't see that when I do with my people. I they go holiday. Now that kind of life not be to born. That is why as a man say I won't date man. If na pikin make you come my place, you will remain childless. I no go born for you. If big man when I want friend go say you no go born, maybe you don't feel born. I don't care. Send me born for you, never zero. I worry me here to they enjoy. I not con life con they lay foul for different men. I not be that one con life for enjoy. As I not go holiday this year, as I not eat my body they hot. I'm not sure you see another man the next thing. Oh, what a beatry bastard papa. Is there a pride in that one? At the end of the day, all the children no one know their papa. If my pikin grow up this one, I go live for a papa. Me and the man when I was a friend, if me and another day, me and the man would go holiday. Oh, Guerra, if your papa not there around, you go there with your papa family. If I won't go, me. Now 3 days or how many days? I know say it does see big. Why not they live and make it they sleep there? Because I never feel comfortable. If me here, I'm not there to the start to the bone. This one with this experience when I get so for me is enough. Or what say? I'm not con this life person now enjoy my person you need to enjoy. This life not be for suffer. At least not for me anyway. Not be for me. Oh why you are going to success. I very hear me. Hear me now enjoyment na good part for this life enjoyment. Why they would they bear and now say okay make I because I know say time will there for me to enjoy those enjoy. I get raw. So now make me your bear and I say make I your concern. Now make me not even put man and not bring man into the equation. Because I know say there will be time for me for that one. This time is to dedicate for my son, my king, my crown. How you say you see bring man? I said you never see man before, you never fuck before. My milk be a there. Avec desperado, ni ho hua, tiri papa. At the end of the day, what did they thing end down? Tiri basti, tiri papa. That one come they say you come say me and an mate. We not be mates. We not get the same mindset. You not to the bone for anything, to the cook for man, to the carry man. They go. I not there. Me I know there. And we don't have the same. I'm not your mates. You shouldn't know when they born that they sick children. Now as the sick children now they carry different men. They come they meet. Are they proud now to talk say my pikin no know any other man not come they come close to my pikin? No any other man. I'm very proud. If papa even like him, era like her. You know so they tell him before when they tell him so say that na share go. They don't want the feel say no so. If papa even like her now. So different men not gonna fuck me for wearing pikin day. The family now like him. Poor cry. Useless woman. Una don't now be a share go. Now the couple say a share go. Now una toto na not fit stay for 1 month that una not fuck. Una not fit keep una toto for 1 month. You won't go use yourself compare me. Oh, so that at the end of the day they can't know una be say now una be the real share go. Say that not be a share go. Say that a decent girl. What I do on media was different from what I do outside. At the end of the day, we not gonna know be the share with them. Amagi we not gonna know them. Yes, we did. We know them. Who can be the real share when they use their total lane? Yana ya way. Any ya guan. That one go saying get what he want talk. You don't look yourself for mirror. Any ya guan. People decide to remain child free. Not be this time for the couples in Byron. Now people are decided to be child free. Because you being child free is different from when you have a child. It's not the same. It's not to be compared. You will lose yourself. See me now when I even leave myself. I leave myself saying, I don't care. Me they leave myself before. You will lose yourself. You cannot take him. Well, because I know I will bounce back. I will bounce back, so I don't worry. You not go get, you will not have your life. By that time, I tell you when this small, you will not have your life. Your life will not be the same again. That's the motherhood. So before you enter, you think twice. I know before, but I don't know say they like. I know say to take up pikin no easy, but I don't know say a way. Now I make we go they lose some people before you know they born for different men. If now some people like this, before their pikin reach a year like this, they don't carry belay for another man. I don't see them. That I would ask them how not they do. But now I begin the reach 1 year, it remains more they go born and not be the same man. So we may share, una they try. It go cause please say like mama dead body. It go cause say the man not sit there with him. The man not sit there with him. He will see born again. How una take they do am? How do you guys do it? Ha! I'll be meow now. Away. Thank you, my people. Let me go and take off my son. We'll go buy something as well. So, Lalekia, all the cost when you cost, I say now your children and your children when you never born, your children head of your child bulla. See the one who spoil the media now. Now people when they come meet you now come they pick food for their mouth. See the one I use bully spoil yeah. Make all of na me waya la wa make una eta make una use shame tas. Una no make una no meet up waya wa la wa. If for those one they look una they look na say see them useless set of people. You will see go they carry omoedo video. You shame tas. You see and say bully no good. It's good to come media and do your thing. Don't come media and be bully. Una use bully spoil those cyberspace. See this guy now do marriage. I know how many content creators they say when they even for do